This video, we're going to be calculating monthly payments. Now, we have some details here that I want to point out, and I have our formula that we'll be using as well. But let's see if we can identify what's going to substitute for each of these letters here. Now, P stands for the principal. That's your loan amount here. So we're putting in 45,000 for the P. Okay. The R stands for rate, but it's tricky because this R has to be the rate per month. And I want you to notice we were given the rate per year. So I want you to do a little calculation over here. You're going to take 3% and you're going to write it as 0.03, and we're going to divide by 12. Now, the reason we do that is because 0.03 is 3% as a decimal. I just moved that decimal over 2 places. And then I'm going to divide by 12 because that is how many months. So I want this rate per month. So I did that in my calculator. So I'm actually going to substitute 0.0025 in for R. And then the N, that is your number of payments. Now think about it. We have a 4-year loan. So that's actually going to be 4 times 12 payments. That's 48. Now let's make these substitutions in our formula here and see what we get. Okay, so in place of my P, I'm going to put the 45,000. And in place of my R, I'm going to put the 0.0025. And then I've got 1 plus, and then R again, 0.0025. Follow along with me here. And then my N is the exponent, that's 48. And then on the bottom, I've got my 1 plus, and then my R value, 0.0025 to the 48th power minus 1. Now, you may be thinking, oh my goodness, how am I going to put that in my calculator? I'm so glad you asked. Okay, because here's what you're going to do. You're going to put the top in your calculator, and then you're going to put the bottom in, and we're going to divide. Now, I'm going to share my screen because I want you to see how I put this in the Desmos graphing calculator, which I'm going to link below in the description because I want you to have it. I am typing in the top of my fraction, 45,000 times 0.0025 parentheses 1 plus 0.0025, close your parentheses. Now, if you've seen my other videos, you know we get that 48 by doing shift 6, that's our caret, and we type our 48. There's my top. That's my top of my fraction. It's 126.824. Okay. Now let's do the bottom. Okay. I'm putting this in second line. So parentheses 1 plus 0.0025, close parentheses, and I need that exponent. So shift 6 to the 48th power. Now use your right arrow to come out of that exponent minus 1 and press enter. And again, I've got 0.127. Now I do it like that, and then I can easily just do 126.824 divided by 0.127. And voila, I get my answer. My payment will be $998.61. So I hope that helps with the formula. I'm going to link the Google Calendar down in the description below. Let me know if I can answer any questions.